Hi everyone, Patrick with the Real Herb Market here. We have an unboxing video today. Today's unboxing video is from B Real Botanicals from Chesapeake, Virginia, and we're really excited to see this. This box is very tightly wound box packaging, which is nice because that means it's going to cost less to get to you. So let's open this up here. Try to keep my head straight for the camera. Okay, and magic. Oh, there we go. Got it. All right. One thing I've noticed when we've been doing these unboxing videos is the really cool ways people are coming up with packaging materials. Like this, for instance, is obviously this is like a plant material and like a straw or hay, whatever, and it's really cool. It's degradable and it goes away. It's nice. Oh, I love these. We have calendula and shea butter lip balm. I love the packaging. And what's really cool about this too is like most times you see lip balms and they're plastic. This is all paper. So this is a really neat delivery mechanism that I hadn't seen before. I think that is awesome. Really cool use of renewables, reusables. And then we have a luxurious whipped body butter, ½ ounce of that. Again, packed up real nice using glass jars. And let's see here. I think this might be a butter shovel. I'm not sure, but let's see what we have here. This little bag. Oh, and there's some. It looks like I think this might be a soap. Very cool. And then the last thing that we have is the winter cream. Let's see here. It's another body cream. Very cool. Love the packaging. Love the thought process. Again, this is really neat. Like I said, I'd never seen that one before. That's really cool that she's done that. Little note from there from thank you. Little thank you. Nice little marketing piece. Talk about the story. Well packaged, well presented. I'm really impressed, and we're really excited to have B Real Botanicals on the Real Herb Market.